In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and download files in Slack. Let's start by getting into Slack from your web browser. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then select the official Slack website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual workspace and credentials, and you'll land in your Slack workspace. This approach is helpful if you're on a new device or prefer the browser instead of the desktop app. Once you're in Slack, open the channel or direct message where you want to share a file. Choosing the right place matters because files inherit the visibility of the conversation they're posted in. For example, a public channel is visible to everyone in that workspace, while a private channel or a direct message limits who can see the file. At the bottom of the screen, find the message box. To the left of it, click the plus icon. This opens a menu of actions you can take in that conversation. From the list, choose Upload from your computer. Your system's file picker will appear so you can navigate to the file you want to share. Browse to the folder where your document, image, or other file is stored. Select it, and confirm. Before you send, you can add a short message to give context, like what the file is and why you're sharing it. When you're ready, click Send. Slack will upload the file and post it to the conversation. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish uploading and keep the window open until you see it appear in the thread. Now let's look at downloading a file that's been shared with you. Find the message that contains the file you want. On the file card, look for the download icon, typically a downward arrow. Click that icon. Your browser may immediately save it to your default Downloads folder, or it may ask you to choose a location. If prompted, pick a folder that's easy to find later and confirm. After the download completes, you can open the file from your chosen location or from your browser's downloads list. A few quick tips as you work. Add a brief description when you upload so teammates know what they're receiving. Make sure you're sharing to the correct channel, and avoid posting sensitive information in public spaces. If an upload fails, check your internet connection or file size, then try again. That's it. You've learned how to upload and download files in Slack efficiently and confidently.